I was never good at like bookwork in school, so generally I thought like I could never do it. But coming to Radiance, it's all like a hands-on experience. If you don't understand anything, they help you understand, and they will sit with you and go over something as many times as it takes for you to understand. Hands-on training at Radiance, you come into the dental office, an actual dental office, and the doctor's here, all her dental assistants are here, and you are just another dental assistant. You are prepping the room, you are taking x-rays, you even can assist on extractions, which was probably the coolest thing that I've ever done in my entire life. The first time that I was dental assisting on a real patient, I didn't feel like I was confident. I said no, I wasn't gonna dental assist because she looked at me and she said, "Are you gonna do it?" And I was like, "No." And she's like, "Yeah, you are. Like, you can do this." And as soon as I did it, like, I felt great after. I felt like, wow, I totally got this. If somebody was thinking about coming to Radiance Dental Assisting Academy, I would say just go for it. Shoot for the stars. I just didn't feel like I was able to accomplish something significant like this. But coming here to Radiance Dental, they made me feel welcomed. They made me feel like I had the ability to do better and to pursue like a better future for myself.